Welcome to Tai Chi for Morning Energy. This flow is designed to awaken your body, boost circulation, and energize your mind. All right, so today we'll start off a little bit different. We'll start off with the feet about shoulder width apart. Maybe hip width, shoulder width apart, whatever's comfortable for you. Get as tall as you can, rising up through the crown of the head, and then soften slightly. Soften the shoulders, soften the neck, slightly soften the hips and knees, relax the waist. And then very gently begin to turn from the hips and the waist, letting the hands knock against the lower abdomen and the lower back. So this one's called knocking on the door of life. The door of life is an acupressure point in the lower back. When we knock on this point, it stimulates the energy throughout the body, sometimes called ringing the gong. Or in yoga, it's called empty coat sleeves. So imagine your arms are empty coat sleeves just dangling. Let your torso do the movements. So we're moving from our center, learning to soften, moving with efficiency, stimulating the energy, warming up the spine. All right, and then you can slow it down, slowly coming back to stillness. And then taking a moment to feel into the body. You might already start to feel a little buzzing, tingling. That's the energy. And then from here, making two loose fists. The arms come out in front as the forearms come towards each other around the back. Then reverse direction, the arms go out to the sides as you open the shoulders and chest. Breathing out as you round, breathing in as you open. Or you can take as many breaths as you need. Spinal cord breathing. Once again, stimulating the energy throughout the spine, opening the shoulders and chest, like a good morning stretch. All right, one more time, spinal cord breathing. And then from here, the arms float down by the sides. Then you can place your hands on your hips, and then very gently beginning to rotate your pelvis in a circle. So loosening up the hips, the lower back, the whole lower body. Just making small circles at first. You can make them a little bit bigger if you want. But just letting go of striving. Just loosening up the joints. And then reverse direction. The hip circles. And then coming back to center, letting the arms float down by the sides, and then begin to lift the shoulders up towards the ears and then let them fall back and down, the shoulder rolls. So this one's great for the upper body. It helps to release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. It's great to do throughout the day. All right, one more time, the shoulder rolls. And then taking a moment, once again, to feel into the body. You can step the feet together or as close as you can. And then you can bring your hands to your abdomen. And just taking a moment to really feel into the body. Just breathing in and breathing out, whichever way feels good for you. Or you can do the belly breath. So as you breathe in, the belly expands. And as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Coming into the present moment. Arriving in the body. Just letting the thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. And then if you like, on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. And then let it out with a big sigh. Just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. And once again, take as many breaths as you need, just moving nice and slow, feeling the sensations in the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up like mist from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door. The start of the journey. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, floating up. Breathing out, letting go. So how much can you let go? Letting go of tension. Just letting go of anything that's no longer serving you. So we move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then this time the fingertips point up. And very gently begin to turn to one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, rotating the other way, making the tiger claws. So very gentle rotation, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time, the fingers keep on going all the way up overhead, staying neutral. Then the hands spiral out and away from each other. Silk reeling, the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. And once again, taking your time, feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. Really tuning in. You don't want to miss a thing. One more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then we'll reverse direction. The arms float all the way up and over. The fingertips point down. They come down the midline and then spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Once again, silk reeling, spiraling the energy throughout the body, lubricating the joints. Feeling the flow. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And then circle in front, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, and they float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth, and then switching sides. Keeping the spine neutral at first, and then this time you can do a side bend if you like. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And then the bottom hand floats up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation, just pushing to the corner, nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time. And then from here, hug the tree, bring it to center, shift your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Drawing back in as you shift back, pushing forwards, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. This time the hands float up. They come up and over and then down in front of the body. Scooping under, gather in the energy, gather in the breath, letting it wash through the body. The Tai Chi circling. All right, one more time. This time, step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight, step in, step out to the other corner, pushing forwards in space, pushing the mountain. Once again, taking your time, no rush, nowhere to go. Just being here now. Breathing. One more time. Pulling in and then pushing out. This time the hands float up. They drift up and over, down in front of the body. Scooping under. Gather in the breath. Gather in the energy. Just imagine it. Washing through the body, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, Tai Chi circling. This time, step the front foot in, hug the tree, bring it back to center. And then from here, both hands float over to the side, drifting down. And once again, drifting side to side. It's a nice, gentle sway. Breathing. And then making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other in front of the waist. And then switching sides. Two loose fists, one overhead, the other by the waist, and you can look to the side if you like to. This time you can even lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side. The tiger hugs its head. This time you can keep your foot down or even lift up a little bit higher. It's okay to wobble. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. Then the arms float out to the sides, drifting down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. Centering. One more time. This time both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And circle the hands in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, opening the heart, floating up, drifting down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze. Letting your body rock and sway like bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. And we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our monthly calendar program. So please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you over there.